Hello everyone. If you are really interested in space, then this is for you. Recently, scientists using NASA's James Webb Space Telescope have discovered a new planet outside our solar system called Beta Pictoris D. A planet outside our solar system is called exoplanet, and Beta Pictoris D is also an exoplanet because it lies beyond our solar system. So Beta Pictoris D is a part of famous Beta Pictoris system. Beta Pictoris D was discovered by detecting the unique chemical fingerprint of its atmosphere rather than relying solely on a bright point of light. And this planet remained hidden within the glare of the system because it was 100 times dimmer than its sibling planets Beta Pictoris B and Beta Pictoris C. So Beta Pictoris system hosts at least three giant planets Beta Pictoris B, Beta Pictoris C, and the newly discovered Beta Pictoris D. So Beta Pictoris B and Beta Pictoris C have already been discovered by the scientists. So Beta Pictoris D has the widest orbit in the system and is about 2 times the mass of Jupiter. Beta Pictoris D is the lightest and smallest planet in its specific star system, and it takes a massive 91 years to orbit its star at a distance of about 26 to 30 AU astronomical unit, which is very similar to Neptune's distance from our sun. Now, what is Beta Pictoris system? The Beta Pictoris system is a young planetary system located about 63 light years out from Earth in the constellation Pictor. It is a very young star, only about 20 to 25 million years old. It is surrounded by huge disk of dust and debris. Beta Pictoris system is a planet forming system and it works as a laboratory for our scientists because it is very young and planet is still forming in this system. So Beta Pictoris system hosts at least three giant exoplanets Beta Pictoris B, Beta Pictoris C, and a newly discovered Beta Pictoris D. And Beta Pictoris system is considered a prime laboratory for studying new how planetary system forms and evolve. Now, what is an exoplanet? See, Beta Pictoris D is an exoplanet because it is beyond our solar system, or you can say it is in another solar system, Beta Pictoris system. So an exoplanet or extrasolar planet is a planet that orbits a star other than our sun. Since these planets are outside our solar system, they are called exoplanets. In 1992, astronomers confirmed the first exoplanets. Since then, scientists have discovered more than 5,000 confirmed exoplanets. So, exoplanets come in many different types, including rocky planets like Earth and Mars, gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn, ice giants like Uranus and Neptune. Some may even be ocean worlds, as we have seen in Interstellar movie. Now, why are exoplanets important? Exoplanets help scientists answer some of the humanity's biggest questions. We can get the answer of many questions by discovering the exoplanets because it is not easy to discover a new exoplanets. It takes lot of effort. So, how do planets form? These are the basic questions. How do planets form? Is our solar system unique? Could there be planets with conditions suitable for life? Are we alone in the universe? Or how universe form? So these are the basic questions we can get the answer from studying exoplanets. The newly discovered Beta Pictoris D is an exoplanet because it orbits the star Beta Pictoris, not our sun. Like the other planets in this system, it helps scientists understand how planets form in young planetary systems. From this point of view, this discovery is very important and it takes lot of time and effort to discover an exoplanet because it lies beyond our solar system. Thank you very much. Stay safe. If you like this video, please like and subscribe this channel.